In primetime news this evening, disgraceful and disappointing. PNP condemned after media worker gets rape threats at the party's headquarters Monday night. The party issues apology. Taxi operators to be granted fare hike. And Clarendon wanted man in viral video found dead in St. Catherine.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, in the red, the country's trade deficit continues to increase, and in fact, it's at the highest since at least 2008. I'll give the details a little later on.
All right, and Spencer Darlington is also here. He'll give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Jockey Samantha Fletcher has a case with the Jamaica Racing Commission in the Supreme Court. A date has been set for the hearing. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And from sports, we go to weather, where Romain is standing by with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. We are expecting an increase in shower activity at the end of this week, near Friday as well as Thursday. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you make of recent cases on social media of individuals displaying weapons and claiming to be criminals?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.